Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix broken. So to fix a broken Wix website, you'll have to first of all check for internet connection issues. So step 1 is ensuring that your internet connection is stable. Simply navigate to the Wi-Fi link and try connecting to other networks and see if the problem persists or gets solved. Also, you can try loading other websites to confirm if the issue is specific to your Wix website. Now, if you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi or vice versa to rule out any connectivity issues. Another way is clearing browser cache. Click on three-dotted icon in the top right, choose settings, navigate to privacy search and services, scroll down, click on clear browsing data, click on choose what to clear, make sure you select cookies and other site data and click on clear now. And that will instantly solve your problem. Now, if possible, use a different browser to see if the issue persists. Now, another way is going to Wix status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the Wix servers. If Wix is experiencing downtime, you'll have to wait for their team to resolve it. Now, another way is opening the Wix editor and looking for any error messages or warning displayed in the editor. Ensure that all elements and components are properly linked or connected, and if any app or widget is not working, try reinstalling or updating it. Now, if the link or buttons are not working, make sure that they are correctly linked to the intended pages or URLs. In the Wix editors, click on the element button, image or text, then go to the link settings and ensure that the correct URL is entered. Test your website on different devices to ensure links and buttons are functioning properly. Now, you can also optimize images and videos to reduce file size. Ensure that you are using the Wix SEO tools to improve load times, and check if there are any third-party apps or custom codes that might be affecting the site's performance. Remove or update them as needed. And if the issue persists and you are unable to fix the problem, contact Wix support. Go to Help Center on Wix website and search for the issues or contact support directly via chat or email. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.